In this question, Freya writes down the value of x, correct to one decimal place. She writes that x is equal to 6.4, and we need to complete the error interval for x. Now to find the error interval, we're going to use place value, and so we can write 6.4 with a bunch of zeros before the 6 and after the 4. All of these zeros exist, but we just don't write them down. And so using our knowledge of place value, we can see that 6 would be the units. If there was a number here, for example, it would be the tens, over here it would be the 100s, and so on. And now as for the number 4, we can see that its place value is 1/10th. The next 0 would be 100th, the next one would be 1000th, and so on. But we just need to focus on the numbers that we have. We have 6 and 4. We said that 6 is a unit, and 4 is a tenth. Now to find the error interval, we need to use the value that it was rounded to. We're told that Freya writes down the value of x correct to one decimal place. And so to find the error interval, we need the place value of one decimal place. Now one decimal place would be this number over here, because 4 has been rounded to one decimal place. We can see that the place value of the number 4 is equal to 1/10th. And so one decimal place is equal to 1/10th, which is equal to 0.1. To find the error interval for x, we need to find half of the place value. We said that the place value is equal to 0.1, and so half of 0.1 would be equal to 0.05. And so because we've rounded to one decimal place, the error interval would be 0.05 on either side of x. X is equal to 6.4. And now if the error interval is 0.05 on either side, we'll have 6.4 take away 0.05 on the left hand side, and 6.4 add 0.05 on the right hand side. 6.4 take away 0.05 is equal to 6.35, and 6.4 plus 0.05 is equal to 6.45. And so our error interval for the value of x would be 6.35 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 6.45, which we've shown over here. And so we've now correctly written down the error interval for x. Now this question is worth 2 marks. We get the first mark for correctly writing 6.35 on the left hand side, and we get the second mark for correctly writing 6.45 on the right hand side, allowing us to get the full 2 marks needed in this question.